Our planet. A bear looking for food, in his rapidly shrinking habitat. We know what is happening today. From natural disasters, to forced migrations, threatening nations' security and social peace. But we are already working fast to deliver the infrastructure to enable clean energy, accelerating the transition from fossil to clean renewable energy. Globally, the first cross-border hydrogen valley is happening here. The North Adriatic region, uniting 3 countries: Italy, Slovenia, and Croatia. The North Adriatic cross-border hydrogen valley will contribute and accelerate the realization of a potential of 45,000 jobs and €3.6 billion per year added value in the 3 countries by 2030. Will kickstart the hydrogen economy in the 3 countries and attract the interest of the hydrogen industry and investors. Will bring various local public and private partners together to seek synergies and accelerate the energy transition. This 21st of February in Zagreb, Croatia, takes place the second workshop. Conference is a key meeting point for industry, government, research community and academia from 3 neighboring countries to work on plans for the transition to a future sustainable energy system. Partnership for carbon neutrality of the North Adriatic region. North Adriatic region will become carbon neutral and simultaneously thousands new jobs of the future will be created. This 21st of February. Learn about sector integration. Discuss with technology leaders. Meet with high-ranking representatives. Explore opportunities. Join us on this second workshop in Zagreb, Croatia.